Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Systeme.io for affiliate marketing system setup, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Systeme.io website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in your details to register for a new account. Once you have logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the affiliate tab in the sidebar. Click on it to access the affiliate settings. Here, you will find options to set up your affiliate program. Select the option to create a new affiliate program. Fill in the required information such as the name and commission structure. Choose between a one-time payment or recurring commissions. Save your settings to proceed. Next, you'll want to set up your affiliate links. Click on the Affiliate subtab under the Affiliate section. You will see default generated links for your products. Copy the links for the products you want to promote. Now, create promotional materials for your affiliates. Click on the Marketing tab in the sidebar. Under this tab, choose Email Campaigns. Create an email template to send to your affiliates. Include the affiliate links and promotional content. Now, distribute these materials to your affiliate partners. Next, monitor your affiliate performance. Go back to the Affiliate tab and click on Performance. Here, you can see metrics such as clicks and conversions. This will help you understand which affiliates are performing best. Adjust your strategies based on the performance data. Ensure that you provide ongoing support for your affiliates. Answer any questions they may have. Keep communication open to maintain a strong partnership. Regularly review and update the affiliate program settings as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.